Kiddopop channel.
I'm here.
Hello! Today we're going to draw a super cute picture. Are you ready? We'll draw a brown owl sitting on a tree branch, a beautiful moon, and a shining star. Let's get started. Draw 2 circles for the eyes and a small triangle for the beak. Add 2 curved lines on each side of the body for the wings. Draw the tree branch. In the top right corner, draw a moon. Next to the moon, draw a big star. Coloring time! Now we have a brown owl sitting on a tree branch, a beautiful moon, and a shining star. Isn't it amazing? If you have finished your drawing, make sure to show it to us or your friends. See you next time!